Good morning or evening, wherever you are. I hope you're doing okay. Let's talk about what happened yesterday. Well, what a surprise. Powell gave the finger to everyone. I saw a lot of people on Twitter going, they gonna pivot. Bank of Canada pivot. RBA did it. So we're gonna the Fed will pivot. That doesn't mean shit, to be honest. Like literally, it means nothing. The U.S. economy is strong, so I don't see any reason why they will do it. In terms of the trades, I thought we will pump higher, to be honest, but this was before the meeting, and then Powell said, we don't know where the terminal rate's gonna end. So if we look here, let's check. Now the odds for 4.5 have increased to 61%. Okay. Um, like 2 days ago, it was 4%. Everyone wanted the 4%. Not gonna happen. Okay. Everything is data dependent, right? So I see no reason for them to stop. Jobs are looking good. Inflation is running hot. PCE is coming in at 5%. So, no reason for them to stop. I thought this will be the move. And I thought maybe Powell will say something. Okay, maybe next meeting we do 50. It was worth the shot. I got out quickly. And then we flipped the short. Let me show you. This is the exact entry, and this is where I took some partials. Okay, so I still have the position running. This is just to show you. So we entered 99325. This was our stop loss, and this is our take profit. This is an 11-hour trade. Um, so I think this will keep going down. ECB is pretty much tied. They cannot do anything. So, in terms of how we plan the trade, we look at this trend line. It tried to break the price a couple of times. We also have this key area here. So, um, right now, we'll keep going down. So, sorry, it's 13-hour trade. Wow. Okay. So, this will be my final target here. So I'll just drag this down. Okay. So it's a 26-hour trade. Well, we have NFP on Friday, so we'll see where that takes us. In terms of this is one of my trades. I have another one. Two more. Sorry, three more. Sorry, man. I keep losing the counting. Here, it was the same, right? So I thought that Powell will say something dovish. It didn't. We caught also a short here, but I exit last night in around 6. Let me check. Uh, Today, last 3 days. Where is it? So yeah, we exit at. Let me see if it works. This is the trade. So we did 50 pips. It's okay. I had kind of a lot of risks, so I wanted to de-risk. Of course, I should have kept the positions, but I'm very good with the euro dollar. The British pound. Well, this was one of our initial trades. I thought we would get here and slam it down. We didn't. If I held this trade, it would have been 5R. And in one of my updates, for the sake of argument, yeah, it would have been 10. But I've booked 2R. There was some risk. Um, it's okay, I don't complain. I've made very good decent returns. This one, 5% for sure, maybe. It looks like it wants to pump. It has to reach the Fed's terminal rate somehow. Let me see what else. Pretty much, it's a short game now. You just short anything you want on the table. You just short. This is my gold trade. I haven't traded this in a very long time. It's a 4 hour trade. Probably I'll tighten my stop losses. So I'll put my stop losses in profit. This looks like it's gonna break this support here, and if it breaks, the next support is in around this area. If we look on the weekly, let's see. If we pull a Fibonacci, see where we are. So yeah, it can go as low as 1,500. Probably sweep around this area, and then we can long again. We have NFP on Friday and Bank of England today, so just be mindful of these things. Maybe they will be more aggressive, so that will be a dollar positive. Sorry, a dollar negative. So maybe we can see the dollar weakening. We don't know yet, so we have to be patient again. That's why I de-risked ahead of this. I mean, booking profits is okay, you know. We started the month in full force, basically. Stocks, well, it did exactly what I wanted. Um, let me. It's okay. I'm not gonna clean the chart right now, but well, I took some profits here. I exit the position in around here, and I entered again in around 3,800 here yesterday. So basically, my trade now is like this. Okay, so it's an 8 hour trade. We will take profits here. I'm not gonna take partials or anything on this one. I'm just gonna leave it. It's clear where it's headed. If this is a bear, this is another bear leg, guys. I can see this running all the way to 3,200 if it's the last and final one. Um, we'll see how the market reacts, but if this was a bear market rally and now we're gonna head lower, if it breaks this support here, it's gonna look ugly. This one here. So maybe we'll see how it plays. So if let's see. So so this will be our mid range if it breaks below. So we will look for longs here, obviously. And if it breaks below, we will look for shorts. So all in all, just be very mindful of well, what's going to happen. Okay. We have also some what is it called? Like a black swan event. The There is some conflict with the Saudi and Iran. If that's gonna happen, it's gonna definitely affect oil. Um, so oil is gonna be grinding higher. If oil is gonna grind higher, it's gonna cause more inflation. Okay, so we just have to be very mindful of that. In terms of crypto, well, flippity flops here. Pretty much, this is my short trade here on Bitcoin. So far, it's holding quite well. I mean, it came and tested this resistance area here. It basically broke support. Now this turned into resistance. So obviously, like, this is the obvious trade, right? If I'm wrong on this, No problem, sometimes you are wrong. Here I got -1 hour trade. I tried to long again this position here, but we couldn't long it. Okay, so we have to see where the price takes us. I'm thinking that we will head again to this midpoint here. To be honest, I think we're missing one leg. So, as I said many times before, let me. We're missing this leg here. So, I want to see this low taken, and it looks like he wants to take the low unless Bitcoin decouples from S&P and the legacy markets. And once we break below, we will look for longs in around 13,000 area, maybe even 10k. This will be the place where everyone will look for longs, and I think it's gonna be quite a big move from here. So if we look at, let's see, I'm just gonna move it to 10k. So okay. Yeah, so if it comes here, there is pretty much nothing here in between, right? So maybe we will define a new range. Okay, so this will be our new range. So if we break below, it's gonna be fast. I think we're gonna end up here, and this is where we have to see what's gonna happen. If it This is where you want to long, right? So we will long here. If it retests this area and comes down here again, I will look to long here. But that's it for now. I think we're gonna come low. Bitcoin is lagging here again. S&P dropped really hard. Bitcoin is lagging. I want to see a fast move on the downside, and then we can reassess. But we will see how we can trade this one. But so far, this is the trade plan. We will trade intraday, level to level, and we're gonna be pretty much covered, right? So Ethereum, same. This, as I told you, I think in one of the updates I said, what if this does something like this? Okay. Now this daily is closing under. If this daily closes under and we get some daily close here, I think more downside in around this area here, probably up again. We'll see how it takes, right? So this is what I'm expecting. If Ethereum is gonna come down, this will be our long area, okay? This is where we look for longs, or maybe even here. We start to scale in from here, and then but I mean, let's see what price does, right? And then we can we can we can take it from there. Not much to say. I think you really want to be in the gold trade. Okay, I think the gold with central banks coming down hard with interest rates, I don't see any reason for this to go up. Um, Although this looks like it could be like some sort of triple bottom, we'll see about that. So far, I think it's gonna break below. Uh, the market, once the market opens, the New York market opens in a few hours, I think this is gonna come down brutal. Okay. I hope you enjoy. Um, just stay safe. Don't rush into random trades now. Take it easy. Even if you take like small positions right now, the volatility is so high, and when the volatility is high, you can basically make with small positions a lot of money. If you ape into stuff, sometimes you will get stopped. Okay, so don't use like a lot of leverage. Just use small positions, and then the market is definitely giving a lot of good stuff. So um, of course, there are times when you know when you have to push the pedal. So if you see like a downtrend, just go for it, you know. But if it's like this ranges, just be safe, okay? Have a great day and catch you in the group. If you need anything else, just write me or and I will gladly answer all your questions. Have a good day.